This smells really good on me. But on a man? Hey besties, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Cheraye. Welcome. If you happen to be returning, I love you like I love cooked food, and welcome back, dwellings. Today we are talking all about new fragrances, new smell goods, new body shimmers, everything that smells amazing. If you want to see that and more, please continue to watch. Here on this channel, I cover fashion, beauty, luxury, lifestyle, all things fancy and fabulous. So if that seems like your vibe or your zhuzh, stop everything you're doing, go ahead and let me know what fragrance you're rocking today. And if this seems like a vibe you want to come back and subscribe to, go ahead and consider hitting the subscribe button. Without further ado, we're jumping into this video right now. Josie Marin came out with a new body mist. They came out with a whole collection, but the one that I wanted to share with you today was Topless Tangerine. This is so good. If you're new to the brand Josie Marin and you want to smell like a tropical vacation this summer, check out Topless Tangerine. Fig is good, Vanilla Vibes is good. I mean, they're all good, but this one is the one that I've been reaching for. I have both of these here. I will be taking these on vacation with me. One is a body scrub, which leaves you feeling amazing, and then the body cream as well. Both of these are phenomenal, but then they took it a step further and gave us a Topless Tangerine fragrance mist. So these are fragrance mists. I'm gonna go ahead and spray it here, although I've already played with it. The consistency looks like this when it comes out. It gives you that creamy milk kind of vibe to it, and then you just, oh my God, it smells so good. It's so scented. It's so scented. And it's really, really good. If you like oranges, if you like Clementine Dream, if you like Never Ending Summer, if that's your vibe, this is definitely gonna be your vibe. So I would highly recommend checking out Josie Marin, and this is their fragrance mist. Like I said, they come in a variety of different scents. You can shop these at Sephora. I will have them linked in the description box for you below. As a matter of fact, you don't even have to leave the video. I'm gonna just link it right here. Click on this little shopping tab, thanks to YouTube, and you can shop the products right here. I move on. L'Occitane, come to the front. L'Occitane, come to the front. This is what they gave us, you guys. Shimmering body oil. I've been wearing this for the past 3 days because I wanted to let you guys know the vibes. It smells just like the shower almond oil that you use in the shower. It's so good. I love the shimmer that it provides because it's classy, it's tasteful, it doesn't look like a go-go disco ball, and it doesn't leave you like baby oil. Not that, well, I don't know. There might be something wrong with baby oil. I'm just saying, it doesn't give you that greasy look. There's a fine line between glowy and greasy. I don't know, I don't like the greasy look, even though I'm getting close to it. But this one here is really good. I brought a little bit over because I wanted to show you guys. Can you see that? Probably not. We're just doing a demonstration, okay? Because how would you know if I don't show you? Let's do it on the back of my hand just so that if you didn't see it. That's what it looks like there. That's the consistency of it. It is kind of drippy. You can go ahead and rub it in. It gives you a nice subtle glow. It's not doing too much, and the specks of shimmer are done very tastefully. We will all be glowing and hydrating this summer, okay? There's no need to be out here ashy. So shout out to L'Occitane for coming through with this. This is right on time, and it smells amazing, and it's tastefully done. This is getting a gold star from me. Cheraye approved. I move on. Okay, let's talk about Michelaf. You know, I love Michelaf. If you've been here for a while or a minute, you know that I love this. You guys, they sent this over. This is called Ananda, and this is Royal Mango. This is so good. The bottle is beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous. The top of it has like little Swarovski crystals that look like they're like a little orangish red. I kid you not. I took this out of the box, opened it up, and I was like, okay, what is it going to give? And I sprayed it like this, and I was sold. This is, I don't want to say hot and heavy, but it kind of is. It's kind of hot and heavy. It's definitely in the realm of tropical vacation vibes, but there's something like hot and peppery to it. It's kind of sensual, it's sexy, it's long lasting. Michelaf comes out with some really nice fragrances, but I might have to say this is my favorite. I mean, for a hot, heavy, sensual, sexy kind of date night, I might have to give it to this. It's kind of gourmand-ish in the same realm. It's absolutely beautiful. If you have not got your nose on this, I will highly recommend it. I reached out to Michelaf and told them, like, you did your big one with this. Like, this right here is really good. I told them, thank you for sending it over to me, and I absolutely love it. You guys, I have a very baby, minute, tiny dent in here. I have been reaching for this. I've worn it out. I've worn it on a date. I've worn it in the house. I've worn it down to the couch, and every single time I put this on and I wear it, it gives, it delivers. It always transports me somewhere to like a sexy date night, but at the same time, it just smells so good. And then it's juicy, and then it's kind of gourmand-ish, but not really, not pancake syrup-like. But it's, oh God, it's just hard to describe it, but it's so good. Highly, highly, highly recommended. I am going to link it in the description box below. I will also check and see if they have a sample. You know how I am, try before you buy. I do have a 10% off discount code. I will link that as well. Michelaf, thank you so much for sending this over. This right here is good. I move on. Perfumes Damali is at it again. They came out with a new fragrance, and this is Castle. This is really good. I had my guy wear it. The first night I had him wear it, I really couldn't smell it. I was like, did you spray enough? He was like, yes, girl. I went in with it. And I don't know, I really couldn't smell it. And so then last night we went to dinner and we went to a movie. And so I told him to spray it again and spray it like you mean it. And then all night as we were sitting in the theater, I was getting whiffs of him and I was like, oh my gosh, okay, there it is. This is bergamot. This is bold. It's sensual. It's in your face. Down in the bottom, it's got some benzoin in it. Fresh, it's ginger, black pepper. You get all of that. In our middle notes, we have pepper, neroli, labdanum as well. Those are just a few of the notes. You guys, it's really good. It's bold, it's spicy, it's fresh, it's inviting, it's intriguing. Think of something like a summer night. You know what I mean? You know how you have, and it doesn't smell anything like Creed Aventus at all for men. But I'm just saying, you know how that has the pineapple note, it has a bergamot, it's kind of fresh, it's clean. This is done that way, but to me, it's done in a nighttime type of way. Although you can wear it in the daytime. But for me, oh my gosh, last night was a kicker. I don't know what he did differently. I don't know if his body chemistry was different last night. Last night, it got on him, it held him tight, and it didn't let him go. We left the house at probably about 5:30. We came back at about 10:45, 11-ish, and I was still able to smell this on him. So congratulations to the team over at Perfumes Damali. You did it again. Ladies, I would say this isn't one that I would wear. This is a bit too masculine for me, especially me being in my sweet girl era vibe right now. So I wouldn't necessarily reach for this, but my guy rocked it and he rocked it well. So I know that Father's Day just passed or it's coming up. If you need something for your boo or your bae, check this out. This is a good one. I move on. Tommy Vici came out with another fragrance, you guys. The bottle is absolutely gorgeous. It's so pretty. This one is called, I'll put the name right here. I don't even want to butcher it up. Now, I did not wear this out. I just sprayed it and spritzed it on and wore it inside of the house. I can tell you right now, right off the bat, this is giving upside down triple pound cake served after church at 3 o'clock service before you go in and you have to go to the next service. This is what this is giving. This is really good. They captured it right. It's rum, it's coconut, pineapple, sugar, vanilla, tonka bean. It's got musk down in the base. If you are a gourmand lover, you are going to love this. This is tastefully done. You can tell it's quality. It doesn't smell synthetic and I'm not even that girl to be telling you about synthetic notes and all that different kind of stuff. You guys, I'm giving you a vibe, painting a picture. But what I will say is that it really smells like an authentic cake. The notes in here were done to perfection. They captivated the scent of a pineapple cake to perfection. Everything is blended to perfection. This is done right. Gourmands are making a comeback right now. They are not even making a comeback, girl. They never left, but they are moving into the summer months. Here's your atomizer, little lot. Oh, it's finely mist, evenly distributed. Yeah, it smells just like an upside down pineapple cake. Definitely. But you know what? There is a freshness to it as well. I don't know, maybe it's the coconut, maybe it's the pineapple, that fruity vibe. That's why you're able to wear it in the summer. I would love to hear from you. What are your thoughts? This really is good. Congratulations to Tommy Vici on another successful launch. I move on. This next fragrance that I'm telling you about, I was watching the fragrance awards and I seen this fragrance come in, I believe first place. Don't get me to making up stuff, but it was on there. Polo by Ralph Lauren. This is good. I have been having my guy wear this. This is fresh, this is clean, this is sensual, it's sexy. It's like old money, but new money, where old money meets new money. Can I say that? It's pineapple, it's bergamot, it's lemon, sage, rose hip, vetiver, patchouli down in the base. This is good. This is what I want my man to smell like this summer. This is sexy, it's bold, it's vibrant, it's intoxicating, it's alluring, it's attention grabbing. He looks like he's put together. He looked like his shoes are clean, his watch is on, his fingernails are clean, his hair is done. Oh God, or he's bald, just whatever. This is a guy to me who has it together. It's kind of aquatic even, just a tad bit. It projects really well. This right here is good. I'm giving this, I know the Fragrance Award already gave it its props, but I'm giving this a 10 out of 10. This is a 10 out of 10, especially for right now. Hot weather, vacation vibes, sensual, sexy date nights out, rooftop. You want to walk past her and give her a double or a triple take. This is what the guys are reaching for. Every guy should own something like this in his collection. I move on. Swiss Arabian came out with 3 fragrances. I have all 3 of them, and I wore all 3 of these. Let's talk about it. I wore this one, and this one was really good. I thought there was something cherry in it because it was red, so I was just knowing that it was cherry in it. It was not. There was no cherry in it. It's peach, melon, bergamot. It's got freesia, iris in it. Of course, oud. This is good. This is really good. This is gonna get on you, hold you tight, and never let you go. It's very fruity in the beginning. It's along the lines of, but nowhere near, I'm just saying, it's along the lines of like a strychnina, herba pura, herba gold. It's on that line of the family, but to me, it has a lot more oud effect to it than the tropical vibe. The tropical vibe is there in the beginning, but at the end when it settles down, and this is just a one-time wear first impression, I could come back and change my mind at any time. This is just what I'm giving you. It's definitely giving me a fruity oud fragrance type of vibe, and it's really good. And it's long lasting. It's a beast. All right, move on. Oud Tonka is really good as well. And this has more of an almond note to it. It has orange blossom, cinnamon, Turkish rose, tonka bean, vanilla, amberwood. This is really good too. This was date night, sensual, sexy. I feel they're all date night. I don't know if I would reach for these in the day. The oud is doing a bit much, but in the best way possible. I typically reach for these type of fragrances in the evening where I want to walk in, shut it down, leave mouths open, jaws dropped. Hello, that's what we're putting up and putting down when we're wearing fragrances like this. At least for me, in my opinion. Here's your atomizer here. It's evenly distributed. Can I put a little bit of this on? Absolutely. Yeah, but something, oh, that's what it was. It was this one that I thought smelled like cherry. Okay, because I put the red one on and I mixed these 2 together. At the end of the day, you guys, I ended up wearing them all. At the same time, I couldn't wait. I just put them all on. And I kept wondering, why am I smelling cherry? And now that I look at the note inside of Oud Tonka, you get the almond note right in the beginning. And almond and cherry, they kind of smell alike to me in the sense of a sense. There's a minute difference in the 2 of them, but if you smell them really closely together, for me, it gives off a cherry vibe. I even said that in Tom Ford's fragrance when he made vanilla. It is done with a velvety almond note to it, and to me, it kind of smells like cherry. Same with Valaya Exclusive, same type of vibe it gives me, and that's what this is giving. This one right here, I think this one might be my favorite, if I'm not mistaken. I think this one is my favorite. Oud Tonka, SHAGHAF Oud, you did that. I think this is my favorite, but I could come back and change my mind at any time. Okay, I move on. Now this is SHAGHAF Oud Elixir. This is strong. This is black tie affair. This is go in, shut it down. This is like a really formal date night out, or just a date night that you want to leave mouths open and catch some attention. This is this one here. Here is your atomizer there. All of these are unisex, man, woman, boy, child, human. This is good, but on my man, it's amazing. Oh my God, this is good. This is probably because it's hot and heavy. Listen to the notes, you guys. It's oud, saffron, pink pepper, oud, praline, rose, sage, oud, vanilla, amber, and musk. This is good. I don't know which one to tell you to pick. I don't. I believe they have samples. I'll check and see if they have samples. I will have all of these linked in the description box for you below. Thank you so much to the team over at Swiss Arabian for sending these over. These are good, darling. I think Tonka Oud is my favorite. Oud Elixir coming in after that. And then, of course, I'm mixing this with everything. I move on. And that's it. That's all I have for you today. I could keep going, but I don't like long videos. You guys know that. I will do a part 2. I have more new fragrances in that we will dive in and talk about. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Stop everything you're doing. Pause the video. Give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed. Come over. Say hi on Instagram. And I will see you beautiful souls in the next one. Until next time, you know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, but more importantly, definitely stay fabulous, darlings. Thanks for watching. Bye.